Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here today for Creative Expressions, and we're going to be looking at a top tip with Pixie Sparkles. Now this one is very much based on the quartz crystal technique that you will have seen Sue Wilson do an awful lot of, but it's one I really wanted to share with you using Dries clear Cosmic Shimmer glue. Now Pixie Sparkles, Pixie powders and similar products like that, they're not designed to go onto non-porous surfaces, so we need a medium in place to hold them there and keep them attached to the non-porous surfaces. So with our acetate, this glue will go on, it will also dry clear so we will see through it, but it will also hold on our powders and any other mediums we wish to add in. As you can see, I've misted the glue with a small amount of water and using my fingertip I've spread it out across the acetate. I'm now going to go in with my Pixie Sparkles and I'm just tapping these all the way across the gluey surface. I'm going to be using Into the Blues, Gilded Plum, Fuchsia Rose and Pumpkin Patch. So we've got quite a few nice shades being mixed in on this one. Because we're working on top of glue, you're going to find that they don't spread out as much as if we was working on top of a sheet of card, for instance, because the glue is going to hold them in place slightly more. I actually think that can lead to some quite nice effects, and hopefully you'll agree with me if you do experiment with this technique. Also, because we're working on glue, we've got more of a bond to hold more in place. So if we want to sprinkle in things like glitters, gilding flakes, bits like that, we can do. So I'm using some holographic glitter bits in the Silver Gems colour over the top. Pop that to one side and leave it to dry naturally if you can. It'll probably take about an hour depending on how much water you put on it. Once dry, this is one of the completed sheets. If you do wish to, put colours underneath it, such as the gold mirror card I'm using. You're going to see that come through any of the areas that aren't covered as well with the product and the glue. I think that's actually quite lovely because you then get that sort of light shine through. You could also be using other cardstocks and bits like that under them if you prefer. Really play around with your tones of card for different effects. All of the products I've shared with you in today's video are of course available from all good Creative Expressions stockists.